forget to pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. If you like drawing, I put these on my sketchbook, I put these on my window, I put these on my water bottle and my laptop. These are great. They are on sale until October 31st, 2022 at 12 o'clock. After that, they're going to be gone forever. So pick one up at the first link right down below in the description. Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw a ghost with devil horns. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners, so it's going to be real easy stuff, okay? So we'll go through it step by step. Alright, it's going to be short too. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to curve right here for the top of the head. I'm going to throw a dot here, pull up for one horn. I'm going to go back, pull down. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to close that off. I'm going to go up. Down. Curve right here on this side as well. Going to go on this side. Pull in, out. Curve in, curve in. And go this way, pull out. Right here for the other side. In. Just kind of wiggling in. And I'm going to kind of keep the wiggling all the way down here. Keep the wiggling all the way down here. I'm going to go over here, line in for one eye, because it's going to kind of have like an angry look. I'm going to pull over here down for the other eye, for the lower part of the eye. By the way, don't forget, hit that like. If you like Halloween, if you like ghosts, definitely hit that like button. Takes less than a second. Line up. I'm going to go on this side, kind of mirror that. I'm going to pull line up over here. Curve up, pull in, and just kind of fill things out here. I'm gonna fill that out there, and see, this one's a little bit curvier on this side, so I wanna even it out. And that's a cool part about drawing stuff in black. You can kind of move the shapes around, kind of manipulate them, and it's like really easy to do that. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a downward line, zigzag right here. Go over here, down, zigzag, so. Then I'm gonna fill it out. Fill it in, sorry. And don't forget, by the way, if you love the Halloween season, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. I'm going to be posting 3 drawing lessons a day, the Halloween drawing lessons a day during the Halloween season. So when you subscribe, it not only subscribes you for this season, but next season, like when I start posting again, right? Because you're going to be like, oh, what was that site? But you're just going to start seeing stuff on your feed from it. So absolutely do that. Take advantage of that. There's no downside at all to subscribing. All right, gonna go right there, and I'm gonna throw maybe like a curved line right here underneath. Now what I want to do is I want to give this guy a little bit of depth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull curve over here on this side, down over here, up. So that's one side over here. Curve up, curve up. Maybe throw little bits over here like there's a cloth in the back, and I want to fill that in dark. All I'm doing is just kind of throwing these like similar wavy shapes in the back. You kind of fill it in right there, right? Also giving a little bit of 3D-ness to it. I'm going to grab some edges here, and I'm going to throw a line up right there for kind of the folding of the cloth over here as well. I'm going to just kind of pull it up, up a little, up over here, up over here, up over here, up over here, up over here. Curve. Line over here, line over here. And I'm just kind of throwing little lines in there. See how it kind of gives it some realism, and it kind of gives it some kind of depth to it. And if you want to learn how to draw in general, go to sketchingeasy.com, okay? Go to sketchingeasy.com. There's a bunch of stuff over there. There's a beginner drawing lesson. If you click the dragon on kind of how to steady your hand and kind of more or less how to teach yourself how to draw and stuff like that. All right. Last thing I'm going to do is kind of give it a bolder line. I'm going to fill these in. Give it a bolder line all around the, like all around the entire outside. So the silhouette. I'm going to just throw a bolder line right here. And what it does is it kind of gives it a little bit more personality. Like I said, it makes it a little bit more, I don't know, it looks a little bit more like a sticker when you do that, and that's kind of what I kind of want to go for, to give it like a very, you know, very distinctive look. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to throw out thin lines right here. So a lot of the inner lines you want to try to make thinner. Forgive me, I should have said that earlier. But it doesn't matter, but like it, you know, like thin is always detail, like thinner than the, in comparison to this outside line. Over here, over here, here. Just kind of throwing these thin lines, and it gives it again more going on pretty much, and see how it contrasts these thin lines from the thick. But thank you so much, I appreciate it. It's fun to draw this stuff. I'm gonna be here all season, so like I said, join me for this ride and hit that subscribe if you have not, and click the bell notification, and I will talk to you in the next video. Okay, see you soon, we'll talk later.